Okay, this video is step number one in creating the tool paths. At this point in time, you should have brought in your cabinet carcasses into vCarve Pro. You should have equally adjusted everything so that the bottoms of these cabinets all align. You should have a gap all the way around all of these parts. You should have at least a 1-inch gap in between our top and bottoms, excuse me. We should also have about a 1-inch gap in between our sides. These gaps are super important for starting to run our tool paths. Now, this video here has several videos in line. You need to follow this step by step in order to create accurate tool paths. Then before we actually run the machine, you're going to need to show Mr. Almos, okay? So the hardest part about this now is getting your dados, these bottom cuts, and your rabbet cuts into an accurate tool path. So the next video is going to show us how to do that, but first thing I want you to do is to double check that everything is sitting here correctly. Now, we may add some other parts up into here later. It depends on how many people you're working with and so on, but this is kind of the bottom line for working individually, is you have your sides of your cabinet or your cabinet carcass and your top and your bottom. We will also need to bring in the raised panel doors into this, and it's a very similar process, but this is step number one.